Welcome. If you want to stop getting notifications every time someone accepts your follow request on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable these notifications with the latest Instagram update, so you can enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find and click on your profile icon. This icon is usually your profile picture or a silhouette symbol. After clicking your profile icon, a new menu will appear. Here, you'll want to look for the option labeled Notifications. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your Instagram notification preferences. Inside the Notifications menu, find and select Push Notifications. This is where Instagram lets you customize which alerts you receive on your device, so you only get the updates that truly matter to you. Now scroll down until you see the section titled Accepted Follow Requests. This setting controls whether or not Instagram notifies you when someone accepts your follow request. To turn these notifications off, simply choose Off. That's it. You've successfully disabled notifications for accepted follow requests on Instagram. From now on, you won't be interrupted by alerts every time one of your follow requests gets accepted. You can now browse, post, and interact on Instagram with fewer distractions and more peace of mind. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more tips to make your social media experience even smoother. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your newly streamlined Instagram.